Hey guys, so if you have issue with the Delonghi Dedica not pumping water, this is something we can do. I found this on Reddit. So this is probably either coffee ground is too fine, you're using too much ground coffee, dose is too high, and if you're using a pressurized basket, the 1 or 2 cup one that comes with the machine, then all of the other comes out of one hole at the bottom of the basket. If this hole gets clogged with anything, then no liquid can pass through. You could try cleaning it or running the machine with the basket in, but no coffee in, and try and force out the blockage maybe. So, and to identify if it's a coffee problem or a basket problem, run the machine without any coffee in the 2 cup basket. If no water comes out, then the hole on the bottom of the basket is clogged. If water does come out, then use less coffee or grind coarser. So try it out, maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you, and have a great day. And goodbye.